Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on AliExpress. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on AliExpress application, firstly go ahead and open up your AliExpress application. The home page of AliExpress will appear on the screen. Tap on Account button at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on your profile icon at the top right side of the page. You will end up in your profile section of your AliExpress account. Simply click on Edit option right next to your profile name and then click on Photo. Allow AliExpress to access to your photos and videos on your device by clicking on Allow option. Choose the picture from the gallery or else you can also click the picture as well. This is how you can change profile picture in AliExpress quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.